So you guys all know John from the Red Rooster. He happens to be over, and we figured maybe we should do a walkthrough for the 1 week of progress.
Yep.
Plus, you might want to show him all this stuff.
Yeah, the living room. We started peeling paint because we like the way the wood looks, so we're going to sand that and refinish it.
I think for this house, the pressure washer is going to be our best friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how big is the house?
It's 2-story. It's got
You want to come up? You want to come upstairs?
3 bedrooms upstairs and a bathroom.
This is his bedroom for now.
Yeah, my bedroom.
To save money, he's living here instead of renting some place.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Why not?
And then kitchen, of course.
Kitchen's cleaned up a lot. He's been cleaning up like every day.
I cleaned all the cabinets up. I cleaned this window.
Hey,
look at that window.
You're already going through that was in that building that had the fire, so it was like covered in soot, but now it's cleaning up pretty well.
But check that window out.
Oh my God, it's actually not dirty. You can't see the window.
Right.
That is.
The best thing about this window is it's complete.
Yeah.
It's got all the panes, the latch, the 2 storm windows. It's missing the screen in the screen window, but at least the frame is there.
I've been working on some of these doors, but I think honestly that idea of
You've got hardwoods under it.
yeah.
All of it, yeah.
I think this is kind of rotten, but yeah. Oh yeah. If you ever happen to find any pieces like this that would match that, please like salvage it because it's all messed up.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's
and
a place out of Chicago. I've been getting some old hardwoods. It's kind of on the south side. I'll give you the name of it, but they salvage old hardwoods out of old buildings in Chicago.
Yeah, because everything had that.
Yeah.
oh, so if we get really good at doing doors, we might do some doors for the Red Rooster.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was working on building an oven, so we can just heat up the doors and scrape all the paint off.
Yeah, the heat gun and putty knife.
It's okay, but it takes a lot of work. If we could just heat up the entire door as one thing, pull it out of the oven, and have 3 people like scrape it off real quick or whatever, that might be
but
quicker.
I mean, at that point, a belt sander is going to take it right down to, you know.
Yeah.
And then for some reason, we have 2 back doors.
And this is a very scary back porch. This is gonna go. There is no supports underneath this thing.
Yeah,
it's just hanging here. I don't know.
I think it was an afterthought, really.
It was a mistake.
Yeah, because
so just rip it completely off.
Right.
Well, I'm thinking like.
And what is that? Is that actually just a porch?
Well, see,
no, that's like some chicken coop type thing. I don't know. It goes off the.
What I think that is it's a poured foundation. I think that at one point they were going to add on to the house.
Oh, that could be.
And never did.
Now, one thing I'm thinking about is we're gonna rip off this deck, but we might keep this roof because we're gonna make like an outside deck over here just so you can walk out.
Yeah.
So we kind of just cut it right there, and that might stay up. Might make some supports for it.
Yeah, but as you can see, there's no structural support on it. And then the upstairs. And I laughed when I figured out what they did for that.
Yeah, nice.
Shelf bracket.
Almost all these doors, like I don't even want to know who lived here before, because like first of all they have locks to lock the kids in the bedroom. Like what do they do? Like lock the kids in the bedroom and do drugs or something? I don't know.
But check this out. There's like we have closets within closets. Like, there's a closet here.
This one.
There's another room.
We haven't really done anything with these yet.
Attic access, yeah.
Yeah, but this is like a little server room or something like that.
Yeah,
a little secret.
Attic access in the back.
And then one of the worst rooms we have is this one. And then the upstairs bathroom.
Yeah, this one we haven't really done much with this one.
This one had a pretty good leak in it.
Yeah.
So this all had to go. All of it's going to have to go.
Yeah, you have to rip that all.
We're gonna go with the shiplap siding for this, and it's gonna be a library.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Yeah.
And well, judging by the architecture, I like your eye on this.
It looked like there was a.
And they added on.
It's sister.
Well, see, there's nails sticking out, so they had on each one of these.
Yeah, they had a split in there.
Yeah.
Well, either that or we thought there was a wall here.
They removed it, and now that roof is caving in, and the water pools up there a little bit, and it's just coming in and ruining the place.
Yeah, there could have been a wall here. That might be what that was.
So we're gonna put some sort of.
That's actually what it looks like it was.
Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try like making a steam bender, and make like a bent beam that'll hold it up. That'd be kind of cool.
Obviously, a new roof.
Yeah.
Over there is the quick entrance from the roof to the living room.
Nice.
I ripped that out to get in there. Oh, and they do have a nice closet.
Same thing over here. There's a closet and then access to the
attic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we should probably get a light bulb and put it in that. There's so much shit in this place.
Yeah. That's cool.
Oh, but
You cleaned a lot of it out. I mean,
yeah. From what I understand, this place is like you couldn't even walk through it. Oh, this is the bathroom where you got this all working. Got a new toilet.
Cool.
Yeah, that's working. The basement's actually pretty nice. It's all like smooth concrete.
is it actually tall enough to walk through?
Yeah, it's actually pretty nice. It's a full basement. We might even be able to park his car in the basement because the back has a big a big like garage door where they put that one building on.
Is this the
Yep.
basement?
Right in there. Should I grab my lights at home? Never mind.
Yeah, this is the
There's some-
access to the never-ending furnace repair. Yeah, I gotta get some lights, better lights down here.
But we got the hot water working, and we got the plumbing and sewage.
Oh yeah, you actually have.
These lights turn on, so turn on this light.
That one doesn't seem to want to turn on anymore.
Oh, maybe it's hooked to the. I don't
Well, it's
know.
a full chain one, but it's not clicking anymore. Yeah.
How does this one turn on? How do you turn that on?
Just screw that one in.
You're saying
Oh.
there's a hole? Oh, there's a hole back there.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying. It's like a garage.
You see, yeah, this is like a false wall.
Right.
But I think they added this on.
Probably want to put a bigger beam in the top of it. You're gonna open it up, but.
Yeah.
But you
Well,
can
they've
do
got
that.
this big metal in here, but I think they were gonna add on to the house at one point.
But you can see that the ground is actually cracked, and the wall's coming in. So this all has to go.
This is.
Weird, isn't it?
Yeah, this is something else.
I don't know
You
what.
don't
it
think
is.
this was gonna be an addition to the house?
Well, yeah, but why would you put this beam in?
Well,
I think it's to stop
I
the.
think they were gonna put floor joists this way.
I don't know.
And it would have been the center support beam for the floor joists.
Why would you need that big of a beam? No, this is
Oh, I
like
don't
a
know.
rail for
Well, see, now there's another
a
one.
gantry support.
Well, see, there's another one of these over here.
Maybe they just got it from the. Oh, evidently
They've got the same thing over here.
Evidently, this place had like 50 animals down here, and probably a drug lab or something like that. Maybe they just got them from the scrapyard though, because they're just kind of thrown together.
But I mean, that's not how you stick a steel beam in. Is stick
No.
a hole under it like this.
Oh, this is entirely
Yeah, this
drunk.
is a bit unusual the way it ends like that. Yeah.
This is entirely drunk construction. We are in agreement.
I mean, I'm just wondering with the way that opening is back there, if they didn't have some kind of gantry, like they had a shop down here that they had some heavy stuff they had.
If that's possible. That's possible.
Well, we might be able to tell if there's wear marks.
Right.
If there's wear marks on it, then
Yeah, maybe look for wear marks. It looks like a brand new beam, though. I mean, it's.
yeah, it's brand new. They never even put anything on it.
But
This
that's
is.
the only thing I can think of. I mean, just the way this looks.
I think it's just dumb. I don't think it really had much rhyme or reason behind it. 'Cause, like, look at they put shingles on a flat roof. You don't do that. And so, of course, this is what happened.
Yeah, who knows what their plan was.
Oh, you got a nice steel beam.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
I don't know.
And the thing is, this is wood, so we could actually make a ramp and he could park his car underneath his house. Maybe make for good ventilation, so like exhaust doesn't come up.
Much height, though.
Yeah. Well, we would be removing this entire building.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
What you're
Yeah, because that's just garbage. Oh, and this is what I've started calling the dead body room because it looks like a dead body we found here. Don't even want to know what's
Yeah, we
in
want to get rid of.
most of these
So they
beams.
poured
Yeah, it's all poured.
concrete. Is it over brick?
I don't know.
I think it was original. I think it's originally poured
Is it originally poured?
because
I think
the house is resting on it. Here, you can rip out any of this if you want to look inside. You want a hammer?
No.
Okay. One nice thing though, looks like it has new wiring.
So
Yeah.
it is poured.
We don't have heat, but we have internet, and that's important.
Yes.
Yeah, internet is important. You had it what, 2 days now?
Yep, 2
Yep,
days.
2 days.
And it has been very welcome.
Yes.
Yeah, that was one of the first things we did was the windows.
Yeah. Yeah, you're
These,
Red Rooster. That's going on pretty long. Whoa.
It's a lot of building.
Yeah, yeah.
This is a neat project.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I do like the windows look good.
I think it'll be all right. Yeah.
Most of them are painted shut, but whatever.
I think my father-in-law, his house is built about this era. The trim looks very similar.
Yeah.
Could I have your opinion on repairing the front door? We're probably going to do it today. I'm thinking take a piece of wood, cut this in, make it so the wood like is really snug, and then put glue, wood glue, and then just hammer it in so it's like nice and snug. What do you think?
Because that was just butchered up.
Yeah, and then whenever they got the house, they ran the door in to open it. It's a shame they didn't do it to the back door.
Or you think it would be easier to tear this right out and put a whole new piece on?
I would actually put a whole new piece on, and this piece, you don't necessarily have to rip it out. You can sister in a piece.
Like what she was planning on doing.
Yeah, but what I would do is I would Bondo it in.
Okay.
So get some screws into it so it's solid.
Would that be better than?
And then skim Bondo in instead of just regular like MH patch or like regular wood patch.
Okay.
Well,
Bondo will hold a lot.
Well, she was just going to put glue a piece of wood in there.
Yeah, well, I'm saying you can glue it, but I would actually get a couple screws down in it.
Yeah.
And then you're going to see this kind of weird seam, and you can actually smooth that over instead of doing it with wood patch, because the wood patch, when it moves, it'll flex and it'll crack, and you'll always see those cracks. Bondo, put a skin coat of Bondo across it.
Okay. One thing I like about these buildings, like the Red Rooster, is you just have a nice big deck.
I love the
Yeah.
porch.
Yeah.
I mean,
Nice porch,
obviously
whatever.
that's where it was leaking,
Yeah.
so it just destroyed that. And eventually, that ramp's going to go, and we're going to have steps.
Probably today, actually.
How your
I slipped on this thing.
We haven't really done anything out here investigative-wise.
They're not very good. Like, look over here.
Yeah, but that's
Springy.
That's just been destroyed.
Because the water just runs right in up there.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna have to do first is
Yeah.
get those joists
Yeah.
Well,
straightened out.
we're letting the place dry out first.
Sure.
Because
She got the plastic up there, so we got all the leaking under control
Right.
now.
Right.
So yeah, and it's been drying out very nicely.
Yeah.
I wonder if this.
Oh.
I was like you with that rock.
Yeah, there's a lot of rock.
Yeah.
Rock.
I just got some wood in the eye. Oh, fuck.
I think. I'd look at your joist under here because this is definitely springy, and then.
Yeah, once we rip up all these deck boards, and then even some of this. So she power washed this because it was just slick with like green tree crap.
Yeah.
But evidently it's still nasty and slick, so I'm going to rip it up.
This with the power wash and it's just taking it right away. So yeah, I mean that's just, I could stick my finger right in there.
This siding's probably not too good, but the siding on the rest of the house actually seems pretty good.
I want to paint because I'm not a big fan of the vinyl siding.
Yeah.
I know that would
I'm
be
not
the
either.
easier way to go, but I like the wood flat,
One thing that worries me though is the overhang.
Yeah, that's
you gotta.
part of that roof. Like I say, it's an afterthought.
Oh my god, I just realized there's paver bricks down here.
Right.
It's like, what's going on?
There's paver bricks down here. Cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, that building is
That was
just,
packed together.
that's
There's
got to
the
go.
window to the dead body room.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I didn't know so bad this was.
Hey. Yeah, that is pretty bad. Yeah.
We'll replace a few of those. Sweet. Nice guy.
Well, that was nice for him to come visit.
That was very nice. I heard the door open. I thought it was you coming to get the dolly, and then I see the door coming in.
Yeah, because
And you know what?
John helped me get that door
Let's see.
out of a dumpster because it couldn't fit in his car. Oh, look at that. It almost fits. We could get that to fit.
It's going to fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it actually goes on the other side.
You got a bedroom door now. Look at that.
Yes.
And that was at the top of a dumpster.
I don't know about the little heart.
Nah.
But
Well, whatever.
it is solid too.
So this is the 1 week look at the house. Is there anything else we've forgotten? Overall,
Did you give me a shot of that kitchen window? Because I am proud of it.
I did, yeah. And like to be honest, now we got heat from the space heaters. The floor is actually clean enough to where we can mostly walk on with
Yeah.
socks if we really need. Because you know, like at the end of the day, grab a pizza
You
before
know,
I
when I
go.
first started here, I wouldn't walk anywhere with socks.
No.
But now in the middle of the night I do.
Yeah.
Because it's not so bad.
Well, we mopped it several times, and
Yeah.
you've been washing stuff.
And everything cleaned up. I cleaned up the dishwasher and the cabinets.
You were scraping this with a blade.
Right, because, you know, we eat off of it.
Yeah.
And that, I mean, I cleaned that,
It looks beautiful.
the sill out, all the windows.
It just looks gorgeous.
And I like it because it's all there.
What have you been doing with the
This I
like?
just started.
Okay.
So I took these out and cleaned these off a little bit, the pans.
Ooh, I can smell that smoke still.
Yeah.
That's gonna be for a while.
I bought a can of Easy Off, but I'm gonna wait till we get it hooked up because you need to warm it up for that
Yeah.
Easy Off to work. But I am gonna do the outside.
Well, you know, I think we should probably get back to doing that door
The door.
or something else. So
Well, if you're doing the door, I think I'm gonna do the same treatment on those windows as I did with that one.
sounds good. And
Because it just looks so nice.
And so now, guys, you can compare this to episode 2, where I did the walk around before Bill got here. And then in the future, you can compare the future walk around updates to this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.